Hi, I'm Claes from Primus, and I'd like to talk to you about cleaning your vacuum bottles and bottles. If you use a vacuum bottle like this for coffee, over time it will build up a smell and it also taste of coffee if you put anything else in it afterwards. So it's a good idea to clean it between the use, and I mean clean it thoroughly. The first thing you might think would help is to put it in a dishwasher. First of all, the opening is quite small. This means that in a dishwasher, it's kind of difficult to get all the water in there to clean it correctly. And the other reason why we don't recommend using a dishwasher to clean your bottles is that some of the materials we use can get damaged depending on what kind of washing up liquid you use in your machine and also the temperature. So what I recommend is, first of all, use a brush. Get one that will fit in the opening and just put some washing up liquid there and scrub. However, if you have forgot this, maybe for a week or two with coffee in, you might need something tougher. Then I recommend using one of the pods that you use in your dishwasher. Fill the vacuum bottle with warm water, put it in there, and let it sit overnight. Then you can just rinse it out, and it will be good as new. Another thing you can use instead of a dishwasher pod is baking soda. You just put 1 tablespoon and fill it up with warm water and let it sit overnight. That will take away all the smell and taste from coffee, and you can put hot chocolate or water or anything in it. If you are lazy like me, I recommend only to use hot water in your vacuum bottles. Then you have no problem with the tastes from anything. So just mix the coffee outside of the vacuum bottle. And don't forget the lid. All of our click close lids you can take apart, so and clean it on the inside. Any residues left in here you can easily scrub away using a dish brush and some washing up liquid. The commuter mug also has a lid that you easily can take apart and clean.